Hello and welcome to this video. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about what are some of the ways to make money in the stock market and what are the pros and cons of each of these methods so that you can decide for yourself which one you should follow for yourself. Alright, so let us quickly jump into the content which I have prepared for you, and I hope by the end of it you will come to know exactly what strategy you should follow for yourself. And by the way, if you have still not subscribed to the channel so far, please click the subscribe button and stay updated with the updates that I will share on this platform. Hi, I'm Harshit Mohan. I am a stock market investor and trader by passion. I am father of a lovely daughter, husband of a loving wife, and I'm also the founder of Peaceful Wealth Community. So let me quickly share with you what are some of the ways to make money in the stock market. So number one, investment, right, which is very popular. Everyone knows that you need to invest your money in some companies, you need to buy some shares, you need to hold them for some time, some years, and then they will give you results. So that is number one way and very popular way to make money in the stock market. However, it works only in the bull market. That is one specific feature with it. So conventional wisdom says that yes, you need to buy shares when the prices are low, when basically it's a bear market, but then you will get appreciation in your investment only when the market is bull. Alright, so you will get the profits only when it's a bull market. That is one unique feature with the investment approach. Okay, and it is basically used for creating wealth in the long term. We all have heard stories of Wipro, Infosys, etc. The shareholders of these companies in the 1990s, they are now millionaires, billionaires. So if any one company in your current investment portfolio becomes tomorrow's Infosys, then you will be also sitting on a huge profit. So basically it creates wealth in the long term and it requires a lot of patience and a lot of other analysis as well. So that was on the investment. Now what is the other way? So the other way is trading. So trading and investment are the two ways to make money in the stock market. Now when it comes to the trading can be done into two different instruments. One is called equity and one is called options. So equity trading basically means you are buying the shares today and you are selling the shares after few days or after few weeks with the only intention of making profit. You don't care about the fundamentals of the company, you don't care about if the company is going to go bankrupt or anything like that. No, nothing. You only care about your quick returns. So instead of long term, the focus here is short term if you are doing simple equity trading. Now again, it works only in a bull market. It does not work in a sideways market or in a bear market. Right? So during the times of pandemic, market was in a raising bull phase. Anything and everything was working in the market. Equity trading, investment, everything. But once the bull market will get over, then this equity trading and investments will stop giving you profits until it resumes its bull journey again. So then what is the other option inside trading? That is options. Right? So using options, you can make money in all kinds of markets. Bull market, bear market, sideways market, whatever it is, you can make money using options. Now inside options, there are again two categories. One is a index option and another is a stock option. Right? Index option has lot of volume, lot of liquidity, and lot of people basically prefer index option. I also prefer index option. So I am an investor and as well as a trader, and I trade into the index options. Now another thing with options is it creates wealth in the short term. So we do option trading to create a cash flow, to create a income, short term income for us. We are not looking for long term. Right? Now under options also, there are basically two types. One type of option strategy is called risk defined. Another type of option trading technique is called option trading style is called as risk undefined. Now what happens in risk undefined? So in risk undefined, you have unlimited gain and unlimited losses. The possibility of gaining unlimited gain is also as good as the possibility of unlimited losses. So you face the risk of wipeout of your entire capital. You can lose your entire capital if you follow this risk undefined strategy inside options. And that's why F&O is considered risky by many people, because they don't follow a risk defined strategy, which I will talk later just now. And risk undefined strategies are nothing but a gambling. It's a hit or miss. Either you will get huge profit or you will get huge losses. Lot of people, they do risk undefined option trading, and because of that they face huge losses. So it is most popular, also most successful way to lose money, not to make money. Okay. So if you are doing option trading, my advice to you is never ever go for risk undefined strategies. So what is the other type of option trading? That is risk defined, in which you have a limited risk but a limited gain. Okay. So many people, when they start trading, they are not happy with the concept of limit. I mean, they don't want a limited profit. New traders, they always look at unlimited profits. And they always overlook the fact that with unlimited profits, you also get unlimited losses. So always focus on risk first and then you focus on the profit. So in risk defined strategies, you get limited risk and limited gain, and it is considered to be the most successful way to create regular income in the stock market. So you may not get explosive returns, but the chances of getting consistent and small returns is very high if you are following this kind of strategy. Right? So we have just now seen investment and trading as the two types to make money in the stock market. And under trading also I have covered equity and options. Under options I have covered risk defined, risk undefined. Right? And options are also of two types, index option and stock options. Now as far as I am concerned, I do index options as I told you, and I follow risk defined strategies. Right? So I hope this video gave you an idea on how you can create wealth in the stock market, what is that which you should follow and what is that which you should not follow. So I hope this video was of use to you, you found it useful. And just to remind you, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. And thanks for watching, and stay updated with the next videos which I am going to shoot very soon.